Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guy's Vlog. Today we have a small 2-bedroom living room, dining room, hallway. This is my new pitcher. I think it was about $14 or $15 on Amazon. It goes up 128 ounces, which is 1 full US gallon. I bought this because I wanted to make sure, and I got my mixer there for free from Home Depot, and of course my bucket. I wanted to start making sure I'm mixing precise amounts of chemicals. There's my Galaxy mop pads. There's my Works sprayer. I did put the long lancet back on it. And I will tell you, if you have one of these, unscrew this and clean out your filter from time to time. This Works sprayer, battery operated, is absolutely incredible. I'll show you the process spraying today. We're out on the water. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, that sprayer sprays better than my better than a hydroforce, in my opinion. And we'll pre-wet the pads so that we can glide over the carpets and absorb as much soil as possible. And we have Angry Lemon in the bucket. I reverted to the bucket because I started to realize sometimes when you listen to the naysayers, you can actually complicate your life. When I used to use the bucket, it was so simple. And everyone said, oh, it doesn't look professional. You need to get a container, use an old pump-up sprayer, whatever. So I had 4 of those 2.5-gallon jars. There's the Oreck orbiter, my bucket. And it became a pain. I was pre-filling them in my workshop, loading them in my truck, having to use hot water at the tap to mix the chemical, then put it into the solution. Just nightmare. I mean, come on. It does the same job. Keep it simple, right? KISS, keep it simple, stupid. So anyway, you're going to see me using the bucket again. And whether the naysayers like it or not, I can mix more chemical. I can put 3 gallons in today. I can do 5 gallons, and I'll just have to be very careful that I don't knock the bucket over. But with that weight, I don't think I'm going to be able to knock it over. And I am going to get this strip of linoleum on my way out. So let me get set up here and kick back and enjoy the high-powered pressure of the Works sprayer. And with the longer lancet on it, it reaches closer to the carpet so that I'm not aerating the air and getting it in my lungs. It's just going straight onto the carpets. Plus, the pressure on this, I think it's 130 if you hook it to a garden hose. If you just use the battery in a bucket, I believe it's about 90 to 100 psi. So it is real good pressure. And what that does is, as I'm spraying these heavy traffic areas and spots, it's actually pre-agitating on its own, because it's just really hitting the soil, and the Angry Lemon is breaking up and suspending all the matter. So kick back and enjoy, and I'll catch up to you in a moment. Alrighty then. Let's get the Oreck and get that to work. I was considering using the green brush today to pre-scrub, but I left the green brush in the van and I got the Galaxy mop pads. They have scrubbing strips. They should work just fine, no problem. And if you listen to the sounds of the Oreck Orbiter, no rattles, no banging or clunking. Gotta love the repair I did on that. And I did the same thing to my white machine. I'm going to start bringing that with me too, my white Oreck Orbiter. They're both the same, you know, the XL Pro and the white one have the bigger motor, so should be no problem. But watch and see, and what I'll do is I'm going to get up there in the corner, I'll go horizontally, and then when I get maybe about 8 feet back or a little longer, I'll start working my way forward and go vertically. So stay tuned and enjoy. Straighten out this pad so it's on there even. I do want to get one of those bigger pad drivers. Finch has a YouTube channel, and I seen him today. Early this morning, he posted a video. He's up in Canada, and I really like the 15-inch driver that he created with like a piece of plastic and then put the hose lining around the outside of it, Velcro. And so if you're watching, Finch, I know I sent you a comment, offered to purchase one from you. I don't know if you have the time or would even consider doing that or what the shipping is from Canada, but talk to me. I would love to have that. I did like the idea of using a CD glider with that. That way that 15-inch pad driver can spin those 17-inch pads very easily. So that's awesome. Check that out. I can't remember. Is it Finch Bella Vida? I can't remember. I'll try and put a link to the video in the description as well. But I am enjoying my Oreck Orbiter again now that there's no rattling sounds. It just is very smooth, lightweight, easy to operate on these tiny jobs. So kick back, enjoy, and I'll see you further along in this video. Okay, so now we'll go back vertically over the area that we just scrubbed horizontally. And I spoke to this routine in an earlier video where I did discover that using the Angry Lemon, I know it's a high pH, it is an end cap though, so it'll dry down to a crystal. And it's available at end cap store. I'm pretty sure that I'll end up switching to Awesome end cap, and I'll see how that works. But the Oreck Orbiter being lightweight and not as heavy as the bigger floor machines, you kind of have to give either extra agitation or do the horizontal vertical, more pre-spray. You know, you got to do something to make up for the difference if you're going to use the smaller machine and you want to get professional results. Yes, it does take a lot longer. The 175 would have just burned through this. So, but it's all an art. And I am done with that whole living room, dining room, 2 bedrooms. I had the small tripod that sits on the ledge, and I thought it was filming when I was in the rooms, and I guess it wasn't. So the only footage I got was what you saw. Everything came out good. It does need to dry. It will lighten up. I don't need to groom these because it's a really plush carpet. And here you'll see I'm just gonna go over a general cleaning. I actually had just a spray bottle, tiny pump up handheld spray bottle, and I mixed up a couple teaspoons of the Green Dragon with some warm water, sprayed it down, let it dwell, and I've already kind of cruised across it once, and now I'm going to go back over to the other side of the pad so I can dry it up a little bit. But this stuff, the Green Dragon just does amazing on linoleum and tile. And when you're doing this is just a general cleaning, not even a real priced out job. Just they asked me, you know, what it would be just to clean it, buff it out. So I threw it on there for a very minimal amount. And you could see it is textured, so that's not soil, that is like a marbleized look. So there you go, folks. I appreciate y'all joining me today on another job and for another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlog. Let's go, subscribers. Let's get this thing up to 10,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching.